Surprise! Congratulations, madam. I'm looking forward for a good business deal.
It's my pleasure. Excuse me, madam. I am a business partner. Mami kebi bincho. Kinaata venike no. Se wo yusu a esiesie ho e ma ho ye kama e ma wo ye obe mua. Je na ko try she.
Thank you. Kinaata Venike.
Kinaata Venike is an oral tonic for maintaining vaginal hygiene, not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.
Abusianfo ya mama kwa ba de baje Ghana TV eso ebraso sesam hodwa ya bobo no ye de ebeso mu kase bo kwanso wei eye kase bo te na me kai wo se Ghana TV ye live ewo Facebook, YouTube and Twitter. Enu nti bomodin asa wo be like na wa subscribe na wa share ama afoforo nso etimi ahwebi. Kinaata teba ye dro papa e be boa ma wapomudin ejina ne nanso. Afa so glitter and glow be boa ma honamani atoso aye fe aye kama. Gina organic foods eye nuane papa abedwama nso a e boa ma wapomudin ejina ne nanso. Ebusua ye nhye kase bo no ase. Na dom dodo a wo mra hye bedwafie me kire majority in parliament afra esemtrofo enhyemu a wo kire mu se enimenim ya wo hia se mampani na nado dankwa ekufu ado ebeyi Ken Ofori ata edi efri ne debre se finance minister no wa power afoforo de abehye esanse kamia koye se Ken Ofori ata ne debre a wo gire mu na nya ade se mfaso bi a ewo so enu nti ebehia se enimenim ya mampani ebeyi no efri se dibre ho so state in charge of finance at the office of the president Charles Edubu ahenso wo hia se nimenim ya mampani ebetu na dia so no wa paw afoforo dia behye ho na o se wo makasa asa mampani ato na dwemu asa mampani ayesa de onti ho hwe enu nti nimenim ya asa mampani antimi enyi Ken Ofori ata ne Charles Edubu ahen enfri se dibre na mpaw afoforo amfa mbehye ho a enie se mampani ni na memuo ene ahonsem bia betomra hye bedefia nya de a ye dom dodo a mekire majority in parliament ebeka ho asem bia na so wode wo ho ebegimu bie afen so ye 2023 budget review no a ebeba mra hye bedefia no enya de a dom dodo a mekire majority in parliament ede wo ho ebegimu bie ekosi se mampani na nadodan kwa ekufu ado ebeyi Ken Ofori ata na Charles Edubu ahen efri wo mudibre.
Not because we are MPP and we are in government, we shouldn't talk about things that affect the country. No, Boama will not do that. I believe majority of MPP members are not in agreement with how things are panning out with regards to the state of our economy. We must be honest. If the country is good, it's good for all of us. If the currency becomes stronger, all the better. So we're asking government as a matter of urgency to put in place the right measures to restore the value of our currency. My understanding is that some issues have been laid before the president to address, failing which some majority members are asking for the removal of the finance minister. It was at and the Minister of State. I wasn't at the press briefing, so I'm asking for clarification. Yes, it's a good call that as a concerned majority, we want our government to succeed. So if, for example, common has not been released and is affecting the performance of MPs and MMDCs who are appointed by the president, then steps ought to be taken. We need to hear from our finance minister. We need to hear from the president on steps that are being taken. Because when it comes to the removal of a minister, the Constitution says you need 2/3 of members present and voting, and it's by secret ballot. From the way things are, you cannot guarantee it. You cannot. So I don't think it's the interest of our side of government to remove our minister. But when push comes to shove, to save the party, the government that we are asking to break the 8, which I don't believe in, I believe in winning successive elections. We are not here to win 2 elections and say we are breaking the 8. No. I believe, you have to quote me well, I believe in winning successive elections. 8 is just too small. So whatever it takes for the government to put in place the right measures, if it requires removing all the cabinet ministers and setting up a new government, we will support it.
I was a to Akasiabono elsewhere. Senior lecturer at University of Ghana, Professor Ransford Jamponso, di efutuo akwa mampeni na nato dankwa ekufuado. Na ninsemu no ochemu se kamya kwa esa mampeni emfa wobuoni ni die ma Ghana mankura ewo kwan bia so. Esansa wo hwe na anu asamu a wokokan wo Otek FM na kamya kwa esa hantan ne ahomaso bi aba be mampeni mo esansa wo hwe abra na mampeni prisa wo beba ban mu no odi ahombrase ne kasade ne dada Ghana for ma to wabano ema no ne free se ne sai kan tumi na wo hwehwe no kamia ko esa hantan bia be rani mu anu nti o kasa kire Ghana for kra nya de a wo hwe nechi no wo kan kire mampeni se wan chance kire na kwan bi ne wan chance se ne kasa ye wo kwan bi so a anhwa ne kasa ye ne na hantan ene na homa so ebekun etia MPP amanyukuo no enu nti wo sere se mampeni ebe hwa atoto na kwan eyie wa hwe ne kasa so eyie. Ebusia hana brema kwan ma yedi kasiebo no ebesi edi amejeso da chihima ajiwa nate na meka wo sa wo hwa me live wo YouTube, Facebook na Instagram nti bomodi asa obe like na wa share ama afofro nso etimi ahwebi Great and Glow Skin Care ebe boa ma hona mani atoso aye fe aye kama avezo tina tete ba nso ye dro papa eboa ma ne meme nyina etu etridi yade no nso ase kurakura gina organic foods nso ye nuane papa abe drama nso a eboa ma wapomudin ejina ne naso bomodi a se wonsa beke bi na aboa woni webusuafo ebusu ha na brama kwan ma ye de kasebo no ebe na sie kese enkoma production crew makramo.
Sorry. Oh, Doc. Yes, and you walk, Doc. I want to know why you did. We know why she. I've said, "Do turn your man?" No, say the young kukru. So your stomach was up. Said the young. Had been so sad the count. And then cry. The meaning said if you be forcing the I don't know.
Test results natural say when you malaria on the moji.
Yeah, 3D.
Yes, malaria. Nani yem no so we no here. Tinatet tomac and a tinatet malake. Fama no nano ho betono.
Malake, anything I take to Mac. I'm on my free.
Tinatet malake eyema obi a wanya malaria fever ena tinatet tomac mixture eyema obi a wanya indigestion
yenhwehwemu hu so wanya malaria ansa na wafa adroi.
Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.